Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. Do you guys want to work at RBI, Reserve Bank of India? If yes, then there is a great opportunity for you guys. Yes, RBI is going to offer you a research internship, right? And which would be a paid internship per month, 45,000 per month stipend they are going to pay you, right? But this is offline internship, it's not online. Right now, what is this internship? How to apply for this? Who can apply for this? Which thing is going to play an important role for the selection of for you guys, right? Let me just show you everything in this video. So the link you will get in the description box of this video. You go and check out, right? So here they are providing you a research internship. So in this internship, see, research internship. Once you click on this direct link, I'll give you in the description box of this video. You just click on that link and you will be redirected in this at this page, right? So see, for all the domestic and foreign students can apply for this. See, this is open to domestic as well as foreign students. Fine. Now what you need to do, what the eligibility criteria and in which department they are providing you the internship. See, the placement or this opportunity would be in 4 departments of RBI. One is this DEPR, Department of Economic and Policy Research, Department of Statistics and Information Management, DSIM, Strategic Research Unit and International Department. In 4 departments they are giving you this internship. Fine. Now eligibility, let's see who can apply and in which department, according to that you can apply. Now for this DSIM, the first one, postgraduate in statistics, economics, econometrics or BE BTech computer or MBA finance. In the second one, DEPR, postgraduate in economics, banking, finance or MBA finance. In SRU, strategic research unit, BE or BTech or postgraduate with quantitative oriented degree in economics, finance, statistical science, or those with expertise in computer or data analytics. Programming skills or ability to acquire them are necessary for this, right? And in international department, postgraduate degree in economics, statistics, finance, international trade, MBA with specialization in finance, banking and international relations, right? So if you don't have, in one department you are interested and if you don't have that particular, means if you don't have done your BTech or PG in that specific branch like MBA in finance, but you don't have MBA in finance in some other, branch you have, then also try your luck, you can apply for that. Now, see, desirable qualification is what? Proficiency in applied econometrics and quantitative techniques, familiarity with some econometric software like Stata, eViews, MATLAB, R, and these are desired qualifications. If you have this qualification, you will be given higher preference. No prerequisite, no prior work experience is required. Now, how to apply for this? See, the link you will get in description box of this video. You can just download the application form by clicking on that link. Fill that application form. And you have to email. Now what documents you have to email them? Your CV, references and statement of purpose. These 3 things with filled application form. You have to email them. Email ID you will get in description box of this video. Of these 4 particular departments they are providing you, in which they are providing you internship, right? So this is the download the application form. This is the link. You can just download the application form. Now this is an annual internship. Every year this happens 2 times. One is from 1st of January for 6 months, another is from 1st of July for 6 months. So it is 6-month internship, but they can expand this internship based on their requirements or the performance of the intern. And if you are very good or you are an exceptional performer, then they can expand your period till 2 years, like maximum duration of this internship can be 2 years, right? Okay, this is the thing. So now you are eligible for the internship which would going to be started from 1st of January 2025. But now for that internship you have to apply in this year only, like in previous year. So from July to November you can apply for this internship. It's August, so till November you can apply for this internship, and in December there will be an interview, right? They'll call you based on your shortlisted candidates, based on your CV and statement of purpose and whatever you have sent. Based on that, they are going to shortlist some candidates, they'll call you, they will interview, and then obviously they are going to select those interns. So till November you can apply, but please apply as soon as possible, right? Now see, stipend of 45,000 per month they are going to pay you, right? Plus 12 leaves. per 6 months. If the internship is of 6 months, then 12 leaves you will get. Again, 12 days of leave, right? And they select maximum 20 interns every year, right? So I've told you in these 4 departments they are providing you this internship. So you have to interested candidates as per their choice of area of research in which department you want to apply. You just apply directly to that concerned department at their email address. Just send your CV, references, statement of purpose. Fine. Then shortlisted candidate will be called for interview, personal interview. Right. So these are profiles of 4 departments. You can just check out what they are going to perform, like what these departments perform. If you will be selected, what you need to perform, right? And one more thing, in this internship, you have a notice period of 1 month. So if you want to leave before 6 months, you have to give a notice period of 1 month, right? So now let me show you this application form. See, so this is the application form. You just have to fill your some basic details, right? Your education qualifications, your software skill, if you have work experience, if you have anything, project and research experience if you have, then just write down, and references, 2 references can be your faculties from your college or anyone who is working somewhere, right? Name, designation, contact number and email ID. And after completing this, just send your CV, references, this application form, a statement of purpose, why you are a good fit for this internship. This thing is important one, statement of purpose. And you just have to convince them you are really interested in this and you are a good fit for this internship. For whatever department you are applying, just research something about that department, what they actually do and all, and prepare a good cover letter, or you can say that statement of purpose, why you are applying for this internship. It should be convincing, right? And just send them. So all the relevant links and details you will get in the description. So this video you go and check out. And please subscribe and turn on the notifications, because always you complain that ma'am you post late and all, but I mean you have to if you want to the recent update, whatever I upload, as soon as I upload you get that update, then you have to subscribe and turn on that notification icon. Then you will get whatever I post, as soon as I post you will get the notification about any internship or any job or any video, right? So that's it for this video. Now I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.